It's a vibe. It's giving like you could toss me around. So you see this? This looks so natural. So hey you guys, this is Glam Sante and I'm back with another video. And I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I'm extremely tired. But I wanted to come on here and really get into this new ventilated kinky hairline wig. I've been seeing this all over TikTok. I actually seen it all over Instagram. So I wanted to try it out myself, this new kinky hairline. It basically is a new hairline that's on the market to pretty much mimic and be more realistic. This wig is actually provided to us today, Beeos hair. And I'm very excited because, you know, I feel like with the baby hairs thing, I'll be up and down kind of struggling with it. I go, sometimes I swoop them, and then sometimes it's like, it could have been better. So I'm really eager to see what this hairline is gonna look like. Also, another thing about the hairline is, y'all know I've lately, besides my last hairstyle, I haven't really been wearing too much baby hair. So this kind of fits exactly with what I want to do. I want to show you guys the wig on my mannequin head at first. And this is the wig. This is the wig. So let me give you the little details on the hair. So this is the Kinky Edges HD Lace Frontal Ventilated Wig. I got it in 22 inches. And you guys, it is, like you can see, pretty much curly wig. And then the hairline is the thing that is making the girls go crazy. If you guys can tell, this is back here going this way, right? But then this part is going forward. These edges are a lot more texture than the edges are typically on the wig. Now with this wig, I did end up bleaching the knots, but you guys know I bleach knots so much I didn't want to show you that process. And from looking at pictures and stuff, it gives me like a natural silk press type of looking wig. So with the edges, you know, of it just being slick, but it's not like too slick. So let's get right into it because I'm ready. Also, with applying this wig today, I will be using a different method to do my wig. I'm going to be using, what am I going to be using? Using Eben's Wonder Lace Bond. I've used it, but I haven't used it for an entire install. So very eager to see that. My head, I want to see what it looks like. Low key is already trying to blend in, if I'm going to be honest. Low-key is already really trying to blend in, if you guys can see. But I do feel like that I want my wig to look a little bit more natural. I want, because, I mean, you see what it looks like. The knots is bleached. Everything kind of looks cool. But I think I'm more into wanting to have, number one, a more plucked hairline. And I think also I'm more into wanting to put lace on the spray. But that's definitely cool because I just wanted to try it out to see what it was going to give at first. But I think I might want my hairline to just be, let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can see. I think I might be a little bit more interested in my hairline being plugged, because it is a little thicker than what I would want it to be. So yeah, this is what it looks like, just putting it on. And then also I have to open this because I went and bought a new one because I wore my other one out. So I have the Sally Hansen Airbrush Leg Makeup. I typically like to use this in the color Tan Glow, but the issue with Tan Glow is I think they are recalling it, or they're doing another rebranding. So now I believe this is the same one. They call it Medium Glow now. So I'm going to go through, pluck the hairline really quickly, and I probably could do it right while it's on my head. Okay, y'all, so here's the wig now after just doing a little bit of customization. I didn't do much to it at all. I literally just did a tad bit so I would feel like it was a lot more customized for my hairline. And now I'm going to take my spray and actually spray the inside of it. I do spray a generous amount. Like, I'm not very, oh, y'all see how that sprayed through that? Yeah, I do spray a good amount on it because it's like supposed to be coating it. I'm not even gonna cap y'all. I had sprayed a little too much, But it's cool now because I'm just wiping it off with a makeup wipe and it came right off the hair. But this is curly hair, so it really won't be affecting it like that. Now, to move forward with the rest of the install, I'm looking at it to see if I need to press the edges or anything, and I really don't feel like I need to. I might just do a little bit with my hot comb, and this is just to, like, you know, pull it back a little bit. What's up, Britt? I'm gonna use the Eben, so I'm gonna spray it, and with the Eben, what I noticed compared to all the other sprays, it be having a lot come out, baby. Like, Eben, if you ever use that hairspray, the amount that they be giving out is generous with the spray, so do not spray that much, because that was an issue I had one time. I did it, and girl, it came out. So let me see, spray a little bit on the top, and then I got my little handy dandy. Y'all know every time I pull this out, my elastica, I mean a wig is about to take place. Oh my God, I gotta put this hair up. And I also got to go through and pull some of this back. Okay. So here's the wig. I'm about to pull it back. So I want y'all to see the hairline. Now, I'm not gonna lie, while it's stuck to my head a little bit like this, I want to cut it off because I don't want to be fluffing stuff. And technically, it ain't ready to be fluff, you know? Okay. That way. Okay. Back out. Even putting on a little mousse to make them revert back a little bit. So you see this? This looks so natural. Even this part, they're supposed to be blending. These, I do want to take this baby hair right here and then kind of cut it a little bit. Not much though, just a little bit, because it's supposed to be giving natural tease. So I'm putting that over here. And then this one is kind of already cut, but I'm gonna cut that right there. And yeah, pretty much gonna do this. Gonna have the hair like this. So this is the ending result, ending look. I'm really excited about this hair. Everything looks good. It's a vibe. It's giving like you could toss me around. I'm going to give you guys an update today because I will be using my vlogging camera and vlogging. So when I'm going and doing stuff, I'll be showing y'all if the Even glue held up for me and give you an honest review of what I feel like about it. But nonetheless, this is the wig. Like, this is what it's gave. I might wear it up today. Cause like part of me wants to put it up a little bit because I'm like, it is a lot of hair, so I don't want to have that expectation of course I would have to fix it a lot more cuter, but if anybody wants to just see it up mini wise real quickly, this is what it looks like on the mini up. So I mean, it's very cute hair, very workable. I feel like the hair is very workable, and I don't feel like it's like out of control. You know how you get big curly hair and that should be all over the place? It's like, no. But nonetheless, what? And y'all also tell me some ways I should style. Like, I'm gonna have it in for a couple of days. Definitely by the time y'all see this video. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Boo. So see y'all. Or should I just wear it down? I don't know what I'm giving today. Am I on my 10th mirror? What am I giving? What am I giving? Also, I wanted to recap and let you guys know Aliexpress is having a huge Black Friday sale up to 90% off. And you can even use my codes on the screen. You can get from $60 up into $160 off. So this is the perfect time to purchase a wig. All the links will be in a bio and everything. But make sure y'all go over there and head out for that big, huge sale. So hey you guys, I know I was supposed to come back and give you an update with the vlogging camera, but while I had the camera, I forgot to actually talk about it. But with editing, I was like, let me give the recap. So first off, this was my first time or like second time using the Eben hair lace glue wig spray, whatever. Okay, so you know how most sprays, you put the spray on adhesive and then you peel it off at night? This Eben spray is actually strong enough that you can leave it on for maybe at least 2 to 3 days, because with me, like, this is almost a week later me editing this video, and I left that wig on for like 2 days, and then it was like, even it was coming up a little bit at the ear tabs, so all I did was spray a little bit more on top and put my scarf back down on it, or my little edge wrap, and girl, it was down. This is some very strong glue. It is way stronger than the other sprays. It's really strong. So it definitely still dissolves with water and everything like that. It isn't like a glue, but it is very much stronger than other lace sprays. So if you use other lace sprays and they didn't work for you that well, try this one because it actually works fairly good. But I just want to let you guys know that I will have the wig and everything linked below, even the Eben spray on my Amazon store. If you guys are interested, it'll all be there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. See you, loves.